Hello, let's we discuss the chapter 8 motion. Another topic is types of forces. Since we know that there are two kind of force, one is a balanced force and second one is a unbalanced force. You may see here, what does it mean? If there are two forces, one force F1 and another one force is a F2. F1 and F2. If both are equal, then this object will not move. Still, the force is applied on this object, but still this is not moving. That means the force are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, because that's why this and this is cancelling to each other. Example, if this is applying a force of a plus 5 newton, he is also applying a force of a 5 newton, but this direction is in this direction and the इस फोर्स की डायरेक्शन इधर है. दैट्स वाई द माइनस साइन विल कम ओवर हियर. Minus sign says that direction are opposite to each other. That's why they are cancelling each other. Means this object is at rest. Now second category come unbalanced force. Unbalanced force. What happen in unbalanced force? Only one force will be there. Not necessary there is a one force, but the force is in one direction. Let's assume the force is also present in this direction, but its magnitude is 1 newton and its magnitude is 5 newton. We can say the force will be in this direction more and in this direction less. The object will move in this direction, or we can say in the right direction. So unbalanced force causes the motion. So if there is a no motion, still there is a force present. But if object is moving, means necessary there is a some unbalanced force. Now the question come, then what does this balanced force do? The balanced force can, what does can do? It can change the shape of the object. How does it can change the shape of the object? Let's have a little bit, just think, you have a spongy. What, whenever you are applying a force on the sponge, then sponge shape will get change. It can twisted, it can reform. Means just like a क्ले, आप क्ले को छोटा बड़ा कर सकते हो, तो उसका शेप चेंज हो रहा है बट वो मूव नहीं कर रहा है. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ बैलेंस्ड force. There is a difference between the balanced force and the unbalanced force. There is a no movement in the balanced force. There will be a motion. Necessarily a motion will be there. No shape is changed in the unbalanced force. It may change the shape of the object. In the whole chapter, we will discuss about unbalanced force. If you have to understand more clearly the unbalanced force, we need to understand, learn some more terminology. One terminology is inertia. The question is, what is the inertia? So in the next chapter, in the next video, we will learn about the property of a object is inertia. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, and for further information see our next video.